Okay, so this is everything I received while I was away last week. So let's open up some boxes. So this first package is from Rare Beauty. It's their Positive Light Liquid Luminizer. I love receiving packages from Rare Beauty. How cute is this? Look at that. Oh, it tastes so good. Next, we have this box. Let's open this up. Oh, ooh, guava. What's this? I didn't know Brianna even knew me like that. Oh, we love some CoverGirl. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh. What? Look at that. Yeah, let's do that. Oh. What do we got next? Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Ooh. The best gets better. Are you kidding me? L'Oreal Paris. Because I'm worth it is right. I love that. That's so cute. What is this? Now we're talking. Hello.
Hello, chocolate drop.
And you guys see. We saved the biggest one for last, so let's see what this is all about. Oh, ooh, I hope I'm not cutting something up. Oh. What is... Jesus! What the... Okay. Jesus Christ, this is massive. This is really big. I didn't know you guys were coming out with lipo blushes. There are so many boxes right behind me that I need to cut up and recycle. All right, here we go. Hello and good day. I am going to be doing a bunch of stuff today, so I figured you guys should come along with me. And I just ordered my Uber, so I'm just waiting on that confirmation. In 2 minutes. Okay, perfect. I just need to pack up the rest of my bag. I'm pretty much packed up because it is currently almost 12:30, and I'm going to be out pretty much all day. I have an event at 1, and then I have another event at 6. So I figured instead of coming back and forth, I was like, you know what? Let me find a cute cafe, get some work done, and then head over to the next event. So I'm wearing something pretty, I think could work. It's like this blazer with some jeans. It's giving casual, it's giving cute. Don't mind the mess in the background. I just need to grab the case for my headphones, and I'm pretty good. I'm still learning how to work this camera, but I'm gonna be wearing these heels. I was about to wear those Uggs right over there, but everyone voted for the heels. They're gorgeous. They're really nice and burgundy and like just the it girl of shoes right now. They're my faves. So I'm gonna wear that, and we're ready to go. Is it here? 7. Hold on 1 second. Let me double check. 780K? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, it's there. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna take off my headphones. Great ride.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, of course. No problem. It's Sunday, no?
Yeah, Sunday.
Thank you, Sunday.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. See ya. Good. How are you?
Good. I love these things.
Sorry. What was your name? Second.
How are you? You look gorgeous as always.
So do you.
I'm just getting you to sign this form.
Of course.
Basically saying you're okay being in the background of photos.
Of course, yeah. Of course. Thank you. Place this down.
No, it's
the pocket.
It's that Osmo, baby.
It's so tiny.
I know. It's like a little robot.
Just anytime you say thank you or thanks, you should never again.
Thank you so much. I didn't catch your name, sorry.
What was that? I'm back.
Love it. Nice to meet you. Oh, you can shake my hand if you want it. If you were reaching for it.
Okay, 1 second. I'll just grab someone and walk you through.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, what is going on here?
Second, just gonna join you.
What are you doing?
Shut up.
Oh, it smells good. I'm just curious what the avocado smells like. Because that one's really popular, it looks like.
Unscented. Oh, we used that one first earlier.
Oh, it's unscented, that's why?
Yeah.
No, I'll do the lavender.
You want to do lavender?
Because we're making
If
a...
you want to pick this one, you can pick your scent here.
Oh, okay, so I'll customize it then, yeah. I'll do that. Thank you. I don't know why I'm so precise. I'm just like making sure.
No, it's good actually.
Yeah, okay. So just pop it over here?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. It's like the perfect... Anyway.
And do one more. One more.
One more on
Yeah.
each side?
Yeah.
Beside each other, okay. There we go.
Made it.
Oh, this is so satisfying.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
You can
Vanilla-
fill it first.
Yeah, okay. Smells like vanilla cream.
Yeah, it does.
Yep.
Let me try just one thing. Say hi, how are you?
Hey, girl.
Hey, twin! How was your vacation? It was so good.
Thanks for having me. Have you been? Yeah. Anything else? No. Well, not yet, girl. Not yet. And you're still young.
There is that.
Hello.
There is that. Yeah, I'll let you do your thing, but I just wanted to say
So
hi.
sweet. Thank you. Oh, wait. Which scent did you pick?
Mango.
Mango.
Don't follow me. But yeah. It smells really good though.
This does smell good. Ooh, pineapple. Oh my god, I'm gonna be here forever. Sorry. Ooh, pineapple. Let me just make sure. I'll do pineapple.
Sure. You can do 5 to 10 drops.
5 to 10 drops?
Yeah.
Got you.
10 is strongest.
There we go. That was a bit more, I think. I love jojoba. Good to see you.
And then you can pick your color.
What color are you doing? Blue?
The first is the blue.
Are you? I might do purple. That's my favorite color. I'll go with purple, if that's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're going to do 1 drop.
Just one?
It's smiling for you.
If I want it like lilac-y, can I just do half a drop?
Sure, yeah, you
Yeah?
can. Actually, that's really light.
It's really light?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, come on, man.
Yeah, squeeze it more.
I know, but I don't want too much. There we go. I'm gonna add one more drop of the purple. Yeah. How much is this? Just one? Yeah. Beautiful. This is so legit. Amazing. Thank you so much. All right, thank you. Have a great day. You too, mister.
What are you wearing? Yo, honestly, feels so good. No, do you like it? This feels so good.
I'm trying it out. Just this week. It's Prada.
Oh, I found it. I guess look at them.
Everybody keeps asking. Well, it's their new
Tag him.
but it
Goddamn,
came
that was
out like last year. Everybody keeps asking me, I promise you.
Sephora only?
No, I think you can get it at Shoppers too, though. Yeah, I think you can get it, yeah.
I stare at the fragrance.
Really? Maybe it's her, I don't know.
Did you mix anything else? Body lotion?
Just nothing,
that.
just that. Unscented lotion. I love how you say that because I always do unscented lotion, so it doesn't like mess it up.
Yes. Oh, that smells so good. It's very you too.
So you're the second person to say that.
It's very you.
What is that though?
I don't know. Oh, Spanish meeting podcast.
Do you want it? I know, it's really cute. It's like my little robot.
Is there a robot?
It's so adorable.
Maybe I should vlog.
Do it!
I had a customer really. She was
You
like,
have your camera,
She was
no?
like, oh, do you post me?
She said I smell good.
Powered by essential oils. And now the egg, there's a lot of bubbles starting to form. Look at what happens when we put like the mouthwash egg into vinegar.
Dude, nice. You're the best. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Like sour, sparkling.
But this is really refreshing too, so thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I think it's. I think so. Yeah, I think that's it. I think.
Colonia, right?
I think so. I don't know. I think it's that. I think I'll ask them though. It's okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay, have a good one. Ooh, it's cold. Okay. All right, so I think this is it. And it's starting to drizzle. This next event is with Garnier. So let's see. Hi. Is this Garnier?
Sure is.
Okay, awesome.
The door
Thank
just
you.
locks automatically.
Oh,
so,
does it?
Yeah, weird building thing, so it's my job.
No, it's not good. It's not good. I was just brought over to the back of the.
Yeah, I could not find it either.
Oh,
It's-
really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But you made it.
Oh,
It's
thank
right
you.
there to the door.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so here we go.
chocolate brown.
Okay.
And then this is like the level